This video was brought to you by Vision Admin. View and monitor critical system and network information for performance and security, and enjoy web-based remote access to all of your devices with Vision Admin. Setting up Vision Admin is quick and simple. Just visit visionadministrator.com, create an account, and download Vision Client on your Windows, Mac, or Linux desktop, server, laptop, or virtual machine. After installing Vision Client, open and log in to Vision Client with the same credentials that you used to sign up for Vision Admin. If you're prompted to select an organization, pick the organization that you want your device to be added to. Then click Connect Device. If this is the first time that your device is connecting to this organization, you will be asked to provide a device name and a device type. Once added, your device should shortly appear on your dashboard. Now you're ready to go. Click Connect Device. Visit Vision Admin, visionadministrator.com. Select your newly added device. View your device's system, network, and performance information. Access your files with our web-based file browser. Run commands remotely with our web-based command terminal, and enjoy the ability to access your devices remotely through our web-based platform and monitor your devices with Vision Admin. Thank you for watching this Vision Admin tutorial. If you found this video helpful, support us by liking this video and subscribing to our YouTube page.